Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to draw and color a beautiful, colorful house step by step. So grab your colors and paper, and let's start drawing together. First, let's draw the main shape of the house. Nice and easy, take your time. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes help us learn and become better artists. Keep practicing and never stop drawing. Make sure your lines are neat, but don't worry if it's not perfect. Drawing is all about fun. Great job! You're doing amazing. Next, we'll draw the windows and the door. Now comes the most fun part, coloring. I'm using bright and happy colors to make this house look cheerful. Let's color the roof pink. Yellow color. Orange color. And the window's a lovely sky blue. Cyan color. Gray color. Wow, look how colorful and beautiful it's becoming. You can use any colors you like. Be creative. Our colorful house drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today.